Hi, my name's Tom. I'm here to tell you all about this 9-pack of little jar candles. There are manly scents. Let me tell you all about them. First of all, this comes in kind of a gift pack, kind of a gift set. So they come displayed like this, and you open it up, and there you go. You have spots for 9 different jars, and each of these jars is a candle. There are 3 different rows of scents. So this row here, let's see, is the oak row. You can see, you just pull it out, and you have a nice black jar. It's a beautiful black jar, and it's got a beautiful black lid. You can actually display it on its own. That itself looks good. But you open it up, you have 9 candles. It's actually a pretty impressive little gift. Let me talk about the candles themselves, though. So let's go through each one. This is the leather candle. This smells like, obviously, leather. And it does. It smells like leather. It smells like when you walk into a leather shop or a store that sells like leather jackets and briefcases. It just smells a little bit like almost like glove leather. It is a very, very good smell. It's subtle. These are small jars. These are only about, what, 3.5 ounces or so. I'm going to go ahead and light it just to show you how quickly it lights. There we go. They light and they burn very nicely. These are made out of soy wax with just natural essential oils, so there's no paraffin whatsoever. It's a very clean burning wax. There's not much smoke. When you blow them out, there's obviously a little bit of smoke off the wick, but they do burn fairly clean. They smell good once you get them going. You can kind of smell that scent. They're not real strong. They are subtle. They're not going to fill your room up. They're not going to overpower your room. So if you like really, really smelly candles, these are not for you. Excuse me, these are more of a subtle sort of that's pleasant sort of a smell. Okay, let's talk about the oak. Here is the oak, and it just says oak, and there we go. It smells a little bit like a forest, a little bit of pine, a little bit of woods. Again, like you're walking through a forest. When I smell this one, I immediately think, oh, I'm kind of walking through a forest, early winter, just kind of crunching along through the ground. Is a little more outdoorsy, but it is pleasant and it is subtle as well. And then here's the one that I wasn't sure if I was going to like or not, the tobacco and vanilla. But I do. It's almost like a nice little cologne. You get hints of tobacco, like the ground shaved tobacco packets, and then you have just a sweet vanilla note all around it. It's really pretty remarkable. I didn't really think that I would like this one, but I think this is actually my favorite. Again, it's not flowery, it's not perfumey. It is more manly, but it does just have this smell that says, ah, that's very calming. That's very pleasant. So all 3 of these scents are pleasant. They're not too overpowering. They are kind of a subtle wave of scent throughout a room. But here's what you can do. You can either get all three of one scent, like an oak, and put them around the room, and then your room will kind of smell a little bit like oak or tobacco or vanilla or leather, depending upon what you do. Or here's what I do. I actually disperse them out around the room in different scents. So I'll have an oak over here and a tobacco over there on the table and maybe a leather over here on this corner here. And what happens is as you walk through the room, you'll start to catch different scents of different things. And it has like a little bit of a cloud. They all work together fairly well. They're not clashing scents. They all are very, very complementary scents. Again, they are subtle. They're not going to overpower. But if your apartment or your condo typically smells like old t-shirts or gym socks, or you haven't cleaned in a while, or a dog, you want to light a couple of these and it will go ahead and kind of clean the air out. It'll kind of change the scent. You will mask those smells. Obviously open a window, clean your rugs, but this is a definitely way of kind of making your whole place smell and look much nicer. What I like about these is that they display very nicely. I love these little black jars. They just look great. Whether the candles are lit or not, they just look very, very great. I like the fact that you can go ahead and put little lids on them and just kind of keep them up. By the way, if you take the lids off and don't light them, they will still smell. If you have candle warmers, these will work with candle warmers as well. Those are those little electric bases that you put a candle on. You don't light the candle, you just put it there and it warms up the wax. They will smell as well. That works fine with these. They work really, really great. I'm very, very impressed by these. Now, I was sent this 9-pack to go ahead and tell you all about it, and I wasn't sure what to expect, but I gotta admit, I do really like these. They smell great. My wife likes them. My wife says, oh, no, all the smells are wonderful. They're subtle, but they work well. They do what they're supposed to do. It's a great gift set. I might end up getting a pack for my dad. We'll see what happens come Father's Day. But again, very, very highly recommended. These look good. They work great, and yeah, I would definitely recommend these.